Hey guys, and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to show you how to set up a VPN on your Mac using either the built-in VPN settings or a third-party app. So whether you're new to VPNs or simply looking for a step-by-step guide, we've got you covered. Also, if at any point you'd actually like to give any of these VPNs that I mentioned a try, you'll find discount links available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. And without further ado, let's get going. Now, in this guide, we're going to cover two methods for setting up a VPN on your Mac, which are using the built-in VPN settings and using a third-party VPN app. But before we dive in, we're going to quickly discuss what a VPN is and why you might want to use one on your Mac. Now, a VPN is like having your own secret passage or like a private lane on the internet. So when you connect to the internet through a VPN, all of your online activities are shielded by a strong encryption. This means that no one can see what you're doing online or access your personal information. Try to think of it as like a virtual shield that keeps your online presence private and secure no matter where you are or what you're doing. So with the VPN, you can browse the web and you can also check your email, shop online, stream your favorite content, and you don't have to worry about anyone else snooping on your activity or stealing any of your sensitive or personal information. In short, a VPN sort of acts as a barrier between you and the internet, ensuring that your online activity remains private, secure, and protected. Now, let's actually move on to setting a VPN up for your Mac, which is actually really simple. So first, we're going to discuss how to set up a VPN using your Mac's built-in settings. Let's go ahead and start from going into your system preferences and then clicking on the network tab. Now, after that, you'll see a little plus button on the bottom left corner, which is going to allow you to add a new connection. Next, you'll want to select VPN from the interface drop-down menu, and this is going to give you the option to choose the type of VPN that you want to set up. After you've made your selection, you're going to go ahead and click the Create button and create a new VPN connection. Then you'll be prompted to enter the server address and your account name. Now, after that, you'll need to enter your VPN password and shared secret. And to do that, simply just click on the Authentication Settings button and enter the required information. After that, you'll want to click the OK button to save your authentication settings and the Apply button to apply your changes. Finally, connecting to your VPN is super easy. All you have to do is click a single button, find the connect button in the settings and give it a click. And that's it. Your online activities are now private and protected. Now, getting a VPN up and running on your Mac using a third-party app is even easier than doing it with the built-in settings. Start by finding the right VPN provider for you among the many options available. Take your time and explore your options. On the screen, you'll see my top recommendations, which I'll talk about in just a little bit. Once you've chosen a provider, all you got to do is head over to their website or click the link in the description for a discounted price, and then download the appropriate app for your Mac device. Next, all you got to do is launch the application installer to begin the installation process on your Mac. Now, be forewarned that some VPNs do require you to grant permission to install different parts of the application, such as configuration files or helper tools. Now, the last thing you have to do is once the app's installed, launch it, and you'll be ready to start using the VPN. Just choose a VPN server location and then connect to the server. And now your Mac's going to be secure and you'll be able to browse the web completely privately. So to sum it up, setting up a VPN on your Mac is an effortless task that can provide you with the peace of mind you need while browsing the web. But you might be wondering which VPN is the right choice for you or your situation. And so I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best 3 VPNs overall. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, yet they all have a kill switch, they're excellent for torrenting, and they all consistently work with streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. And that's why these are my favorite 3, but depending on your situation and preferences, one of them may be a better choice for you, and I'm going to explain why. Starting with ExpressVPN. This is going to be the best one to get if you're looking for the best overall, fastest, and easiest to use VPN, and it has the most verified no logs policy, which was demonstrated through a real-life stress test proving that they don't collect or track any user data. It has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a big number of countries, allowing you to easily access content from all over the globe. Plus, you can secure up to 5 simultaneous connections per account, and it's compatible with most devices. And so ultimately, whenever people ask us what the best, most reliable VPN is, and don't mind spending a few extra dollars to ensure the highest levels of reliability, Express is our trusty go-to choice for those looking for a premium VPN. Next up is NordVPN. And Nord is what I consider the best value VPN. It has over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and while more servers does not necessarily mean better service, this can help with speed and latency, especially if you use a VPN for gaming, or if you want extra features such as threat protection, which blocks ads, malware-ridden websites, as well as protects your device from harmful files, which is a neat little feature. And so Nord kind of gives you more options to fiddle with, and that's where the value for the money comes from, especially that it's about as fast as ExpressVPN in terms of performance and will let you secure up to 6 devices per subscription as opposed to ExpressVPN's 5 device limit. So all in all, if you're someone looking to have a few more options in your VPN, then Nord would be the one to get. And then finally, Surfshark is our pick for the best budget VPN. And while it has all the essentials like Express and Nord, it's not quite as fast as those two. Although with Surfshark, you're allowed to virtually secure an unlimited number of devices with just one account. So it's a great option if you don't want any simultaneous connection limits. You also get over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which is a lot. Also, you still get some of the bonus features such as an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful if you're trying to use your VPN in a restricted country. So ultimately, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money but still have all the core features of a premium VPN, or if you need a VPN that allows you to secure all of your devices, or if you have a larger family, then Surfshark is the ideal choice. And so to sum it up, these VPNs are definitely the best in the business. ExpressVPN is a premium VPN with a strong emphasis on security and utmost anonymity, and it's perfect for those that are privacy conscious and are looking for the best VPN overall. Now, NordVPN is a well-rounded, high-performance VPN that offers a lot of value for the money and is ideal for those looking for bonus features that can be very useful in a variety of ways besides base VPN functions like strong encryption, secure torrenting, and working with streaming services. And Surfshark is truly the best budget VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any of the necessary features that you usually get with more expensive VPNs. And as an added bonus, you get to share it around with as many of your friends and family as you like, which is a great plus. And that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts, as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or if you'd like to stay up to date with future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.